The warmer weather's approaching, so you know what that means. It means consistent sunscreen application. For me, it means somewhat greasy, oily looking skin, larger looking pores and congestion, and trying to find the best sunscreen for my skin. But you don't need to worry because I have you sorted. This is my glow up box in collaboration with Tocobo, featuring 3 of my favorite products from Tocobo, designed to cleanse and protect and let your natural glow shine through with no oily, greasy messes, featuring the Cotton Soft Sunstick, the Watery Sun Cream, and the Colorine Pore Control Cleansing Oil. This box launches on April the 28th and is only going to cost you $25. And this will be available on stylekorean.com. I will, of course, link this in the description box down below. But it comes with a few extras too. Not only are you going to receive 2 amazing sunscreens and one of the nicest cleansing oils I've ever used, but you'll also get a mini Watery Sun Cream. You know I love a trinket and a keychain at the moment. How cute is that? A little Tocobo pouch as well, again with a keychain. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. And samples of the Vita Glaze lip mask. So let me take you through each product and how they're going to give us that glow without any of the greasiness. The Colorine Pore Control Cleansing Oil, as I mentioned, is one of the nicest cleansing oils I've ever used. I think it's because to me, it's somewhat of like a cleansing oil milk. You'll see it's a milky texture. It almost looks biphase the way it comes out. Of course, perfect for cleansing away sunscreen and makeup, but with a little bit of massaging too. It also helps to loosen sebaceous filaments, blackheads, leaving our pores looking cleaner and cared for. So whilst the milky oil works to melt everything away, the calamine powder actually absorbs excess sebum, leaving us with clearer looking pores, leaving your skin really nice and soft, really smooth without feeling stripped. I think it's because we have olive oil in here. We also have vegan milk and I know that's a weird name, and we also have coconut oil. So it's really retaining that moisture, and the calamine powders help soothe as well. You can then pick your favorite serums to go in between, and then we have a true icon of the K-beauty world, the Watery Sun Cream SPF 50+, PA4+. I just want to start with a warning. If you're going to buy this from anywhere, their packaging actually comes with a QR code that you can scan to check for authenticity, because this product is so popular, they're actually selling fakes of this online. So be careful that you don't get duped into buying one of those. Watery, so watery on the skin. I don't love dripping product onto my skin, but in this demo, I wanted to show you just how lightweight and liquidy the product is. Whilst my skin always looks extra glowy in my lighting, this does give you more of a natural glow from within kind of look. And it's more of that hydrated feeling rather than that kind of like moisturized feeling, if you know what I mean. It feels watery, it's sunk into the skin. You can rub your finger along your skin after applying this, and it's not going to feel like there's just excess product sat on the skin. So we have mung bean extract in here, which helps soothe irritated skin, which I do love, especially in a chemical sunscreen, because my skin can sometimes get a little bit irritated. Not from this one at all, but also helps with the hydration. Then the biohyaluronic acid. This is derived from whitewood ear mushroom. They were doing mushroom before a lot of brands were nowadays. It's because of this brand that I'm always like, oh, this year will be the year of mushroom, because I thought a lot of people would have caught on way before. But to help moisturize, but also help maintain those hydration levels. What I love about this one as well is, although it does have like a natural glow to it, the more you apply it, that glow doesn't become more and more, if that makes sense. You can reapply every 2 hours as recommended without it piling up on the skin, you know, without it just looking like a ton of product on your skin. Great under makeup, doesn't peel, doesn't sting my eyes, doesn't irritate my rosacea. It's viral for a reason. It's a bestseller for a reason, a constant bestseller on any K-beauty website you go on. And then of course you get your little keychain version of it, which I love. For those who don't know, I have like a trinket unboxing channel now, just because I'm obsessed with anything on a keychain. And sticking with viral sensations, the Cotton Soft Sunstick SPF 50+, PA4+ is great for that reapplication. I've been talking about this one for years. Well, both of these for years and years, actually. What I love about this one is how it absorbs excess sebum. It doesn't mattify your skin, it keeps that glow, but takes away any greasiness. So if you are extra oily, this sunscreen is going to make you oily, but of course your natural oils are going to come through. So this is a really nice one to take that shine away while supplying protection. It's got a micro-sized powder that absorbs sebum, excess oil, but applies so thinly. It's like a powder in stick form, but it's also sunscreen, you know? I'm saying this like you've not tried it before. I feel like everybody has tried this. And just like the Watery Sun Cream, we have some soothing ingredients in here too. Turmeric, bisabolol, along with antioxidants as well to help protect against that free radical damage. Perfect, around the ears, all around the neck, corners of the nose, crevices. great for reapplication throughout the day. So the Glow Up box is coming out just in time for the warmer weather. As I mentioned, the launch date is April the 28th. Available at stylekorean.com exclusively. All these amazing Tocobo products, gifts for $25. I really hope you enjoy this one. I feel like out of all the sunscreens that I really love, the Tocobo ones are like the most universally used. Like there's ones I loved in the past and some people have been like, that's too greasy for me, or it's mattifying, it dries out my skin. I feel like Tocobo has hit the nail on the head with these sunscreens in particular. And if you hate oil cleansers, this like milky oil is one of the nicest cleansing oils I've ever used. It actually makes you want to use it. So the vegan white milk, let me explain this. So it's rice, oats, and soy, and those all together help to like moisturize and replenish the skin without irritation, and it gives it that milky appearance, right? And giving you the same leftover moisturized feeling that you get from like a milky cleanser or like a milky toner. Kind of like what they use goat's milk for in skincare, but a vegan version. So yes, I really hope you enjoy this. I will link everything in the description box down below, and I'll see you next time.